Bitcoin has lost its dominance. Ethereum just reached new all-time highs. Then you know what this means. Altcoin season is here. You're going to see coins pumping 50 to 100% in a single day, and right now is the best time to get in. If you have a small trading account and want to grow it fast, this video is your roadmap. We'll show you exactly how to grow your small trading account and scale it into a serious crypto account step by step. We get it. Not everyone can start with $10,000. That's why today we are breaking down a realistic, proven strategy to trade like a pro, even if you're starting small. But first, a quick reminder. We've partnered with Bitunix, one of the best no KYC crypto exchanges for futures trading, and secured a 20% futures trading bonus for all our viewers. You can use it instantly to trade futures with up to 125x leverage. That means that even if you are starting with $100, you can have the buying power of $12,500. Link and full tutorial are in the description. Step 1. Trade futures. If you want to grow a small account fast, futures trading is the way to go. With leverage, you can multiply your buying power and profit from both rising and falling markets. But remember, leverage is a tool, not a lottery ticket. Use it with precision and discipline. For example, if you are trading with $100 at 20x leverage, just a 5% market move can double your money, but the same works in reverse. So risk management is critical. Step 2. Follow the leaders. Most altcoins follow Bitcoin and Ethereum. Before you take a trade, always check BTC and ETH trend direction first. If Bitcoin and Ethereum are breaking out, look for altcoins that haven't moved yet but are showing similar patterns. Those are your high probability trades. Step 3. Use multi-timeframe analysis. Before you trade a coin on the 4-hour or 1-hour chart, check its daily and weekly charts first. Do you see a clear pattern, a breakout from a moving average or a key support or resistance level? If not, skip the trade. Step 4. Avoid chasing green candles. Don't chase coins already up 20 to 30% in a day. You are too late. Instead, target coins that are slightly behind and forming clear technical setups like bull flags, triangle breakouts, or support retests. This prevents you from entering trades out of greed when the coin is already too high and your stop loss is too far away. Step 5. Trade premium setups only. You want to enter when the big players enter and hold the token based on your strategy. Bonus tip. Remember, quality over quantity. We'd rather take 5 perfect trades a week than 20 random ones a day. Step 6. Look for small candles before a breakout. An easy way to improve your risk-to-reward ratio is to spot small candles right before a breakout. Small candles usually mean the market is resting before the next big move. This allows you for a tighter stop loss and bigger profit potential comparing to chasing breakout after it's already moving. Combine this with premium setups and you can get trades with 3 to 5x reward. Step 7. Risk management is everything. Risk only 2 to 5% of your account per trade. If you start with $100, that's a max of $5 per trade, regardless of leverage. This gives you a live through losing streak so you can hit the big winners when they come. Step 8. Timing and market conditions. Make sure to trade during high volume sessions like the London Open and New York Open when the market moves with purpose. Avoid low liquidity hours when the price action is choppy. Also, only trade coins with at least 2 to 3x of their usual trading volume. Low volume can chop you in bad trades. Step 9. Use tools and track your trades. Always use a stop loss, no exceptions, and scale your trades into profits. Keep a trading journal and write down every trade, entry, exit, and the reason behind it. Over time, you see patterns in your own behavior. Fixing those will make you more money than any indicator. Step 10. Compounding gains. When your account grows from 100 to 200, increase your position size slightly. As it grows to 300, 500 and beyond, keep scaling trade size. Small accounts grow huge, not from one lucky win, but from consistent compounded gains. If you're ready to put this into action, sign up for Bitunix using the link in the description. You get 20% extra on your deposit for futures trading, and you can start testing these strategies today. Deposit $500 or more, and you'll have $100 bonus capital to try futures trading without worrying about losses. Watch our full Bitunix tutorial to see exactly how to place your first trade, to learn market orders, and how to set up stop loss and profit target, so you can enjoy the day out while making money. If you're serious about learning futures trading, check out our free YouTube course to learn trading strategies that work. Drop a comment below with your starting balance and we'll reply with a custom plan for you. And if you learned something new today, make sure to subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one and happy trading.